Hi everybody, Don here again. I want to make a video on some computer keyboards I got at an estate sale. And as you can see, I paid $1 for them. $1 piece. Yeah, in my previous videos on scrapping out a computer, I just realized after doing some research that some of these could be worth more than scrapping. Especially the old vintage ones. And what I'm looking for on these keyboards is the kind with the round fitting, adapter fitting, whatever you call that. These are the older ones. Now, how old are these? I don't know. I'm going to have to do some research on these. But I just thought I'd show you because I did a research on eBay. And I found one right here. It's a vintage IBM blah 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 Model M spacing saving clipboard with removable AT cable. And that's it, looks like. And it sold for $250.95. And shipping is $23. And believe me, if I can find a keyboard at an estate sale and make that off it, I will be happy. But I just wanted to show you that before you start scrapping these things out, or if you find them in an estate sale. Now, of course, I can scroll down and see what I can find. But this wasn't the only one on there. There's quite a few. But yeah, you just gotta look and find them. And here's another one. And a Mega 3000 computer keyboard, $242, 25 bids. And let's see here. Of course, some of these are old computers with monitors, but I'm just looking for the keyboards. And here's another keyboard, a Lexmark IBM model, $202.50. And below that one, $202. It's another IBM keyboard. People are saying, well, why are you showing everybody all this stuff? Man, they're going to be hard to find at estate sales. But you know what? A lot of people still overlook these, no matter what. And what town you're in, doesn't matter. There's just so many of them out there. And here's another one. $189. And another one, IBM model, $189.95. Let's see here. And here's a IBM model, $179. And the way it looks so far is like a lot of them is IBM. But I have still a lot of scrolling down to go to find other different varieties, but for the time being, I'm just showing. And it looks to be like the IBM models are the ones that are really paying up the decent cash, as you can see. I guess the ones I got, if they're not IBM or anything close to it, or any other vintage ones, I'll just chunk them out. Yep. And as you can see, different prices for different keyboards. So, just thought I'd show you before getting ready to scrap out those keyboards. Check to see what you got. You never know. Okay. Thanks for looking.